Today's tutorial topic is LED TV Smart Combo Board Inverter Section Repair. So let's see what is the problem.
Dear viewer, and my Electronic Lab channel all esteemed subscribers. I am MD Sharif. Welcome back to my Electronic Lab YouTube channel.
Subscribe to the channel and select all to get more video notifications.
Here is a China 32-inch smart LED TV. The TV is in black screen problem.
Smart Combo Board is a circuit board that includes the backlight driver section, SMPS, and all other section. Dear friends, the number of this board is TP.MS.358.PB802. Anyway, I am turning on this TV to show its problem, so guys, let's release the TV again on standby.
Then, look here, the backlight is 36.34 something volts. But, more voltage is required here to flush the backlight LED, so turn off the TV. To know there is a fault in the backlight driver circuit, or not, then check in backlight voltage and reconnect the meter probe connectors, then turn on the TV and look at the meter.
Then, inverter boost voltage is 110 volts, but 110 volts is not present here.
Then check the supply voltage of backlight inverter IC, VCC 12 volts. Okay, so no voltage problem here. Then check in processor IC output and backlight inverter IC input triggering voltage. Dear friends, there is 1 volt, but it will be 3.6 volt. So now we are trying to understand why 3.6 volt is not there. So now, here we modify the triggering voltage of inverter IC with 1K resistor, then I see if the backlight turns on.
Then, see, I am connecting a 1K ohm small resistor. So now let's turn on the LED TV and see if the problem is solved. Very nice. LED TV backlight is on. Now let's see what happens the screen. Okay, dear friends, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button to get more videos. And thanks for watching video.